Alright you guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Hermosa for sending a beautiful wig. We are going to get in and see what's inside. Now we have the wig and our goodie bag. Lashes, some cute nails, oh, makeup brush, and of course a wig cap. 20 inches, oh, and it's a body wave here, and it has color. It's a blonde wig. Everything is secure. It's been a minute I don't do a color like this. I think it's a pre-bleach, which is completely amazing. I love that. I think it's a 8x5 glueless straight wig, but this is a body wave. So either we're gonna wear it straight or do the body wave. I love the lace already. I'm definitely gonna style up this. I might do it in a side part. What do you guys think? Oh, it has a band. So there is a adjustable band around it, which I absolutely love. We're gonna get into styling this wig. The lace is spectacular. Let's go. Look at the color. You guys seen the color? Look how beautiful this is. Then the lace. Let's check out the lace. Oh. The color is fire. We're gonna style this wig and I'll be back. Alright guys, we made the wig in a side part and I am adding some curls. It's already a body wave. I straightened it first of all and it looks so good. So we're just basically adding some curls and that's about it. It's all done. We're gonna install this later. So beautiful. I love the color. All right, beautiful people, it's time to install this wig. And so I was supposed to do it last night, but I'm like, I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna wait until today. So we have the curls in the wig and we're gonna take them out right now on camera. I love the color. I'm excited. I was running up the stairs. I'm excited for a little bit of color, you know. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, so let's get these curls. And you know what I love? It's only 20 inches. So the wig is not even that long. How cool. I like to curl my hair and put what do you call it? These pins in. Okay, see, it's not too much. I'm excited. All right, and I did a side part. Let's take off this and see. I'm gonna bring my hair in because my cane rows or my braids, they are a bit, they're not so confident today. So I am also going to use the blow dryer. That's perfect. Let's see how the wig looks. I did not add any makeup as yet, but I want this to be super snug, but let's just fit it because I didn't. It is snug. Oh my god, this is insane. This is absolutely insane. Alright, Crusade. Alright, I'm gonna add some makeup to the lace. We're gonna take it off. I think I'm gonna bring the part around a little bit more so it have a more realistic look. So let's just add some makeup to the lace. Yeah, I'm excited. So let's style everything. Oh, I need to add some makeup to the cap. There we go. Not a lot. Let's slide this bad girl on. This is insane, y'all. The wig snug onto my head. I'm excited. I am going to go in. We're going to kind of bring the part over a little bit more so it have a more realistic look. So let me get the hot comb up, and I purposely did the curls like this because I don't want any curls. I don't want the curls to be too tight. I want them to be really loose, especially because we have the color in it. So yeah. Actually, I need to brush it out. Alright, so we're gonna go in with the parting, and we're gonna go a little bit deeper with the part. Every time I try to part the hair on the wig, this happens. So I always have to go back in and kind of bring it up. You see? That's much better.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hits the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit it is.
So I did a little thing at the side just for it to have a more realistic look. I am going to go back in and just add some big jumbo curls, not too much, just at the front.
Doesn't make sense, no. She just got her things that getting in time.
Alright, we are gonna do this makeup. I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll be right back because I like it. Okay. Hey business Chrissy. Alright guys, makeup is done. We are gonna look and see. Ooh. This is beautiful. How cute. 20 inches. I added a little bit of curl to it. I didn't want it to be too, you know, and it's completely glueless. Look at that. So I made some baby hair to give the illusion, just to sweep it to the side. Not a big deal. And then I bring some down here so it have that more realistic look. The lace is perfect. You know what I should have done? Let's define the parting a little bit more with some concealer. Alright, so that's better. But I love it holds curl so much. I know I don't have to, if I wear this for an entire week, I don't have to curl the hair. Absolutely love it. It is beautiful, y'all, and it's not too much. The perfect color suits the complexion. I love that it have the highlighted look, the blonde highlights. It's given, yeah, Office Chrissy, you know. I like it. And I did went with side part. The wig originally came as a middle part, but you can style it. It is super easy to take off. Absolutely love it. It's glueless, so I can run the tail comb all the way around. You see that? Completely glueless. Hermosa, is it Hermosa? Hold on. Yes, Hermosa. Thank you so much for sending this beautiful wig. It is 20 inches. Everything will be down in the description. This wig is literally less than $150. All the details are there. You guys should check it out. Let's do a spot check around the back, okay? The band is insane. I love this because look, easily I can put this in a ponytail. Hey girl. Alright, so check the description. This is it. Let's get into the final look of this wig. Beautiful wig, like I said before. I love it. I did went ahead because I wanted this part to look like this. I cut some off, but it's 20 inches. And I add a little bit of layers with the front so that we can have that bounce curls. Absolutely beautiful. It's not interfering too much with my face. I love it. So thank you again. Check the description. The highlights are perfect. They are laid in the right direction. Love it. Make sure you check the description. Thank you again to Hermosa for sending this beautiful wig. Let's get into it. You ready? Are you ready? Come on.
Hands up high, hands up high, hands up high, till we get the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark blue perfume. Go. I recognize the fragrance. Hold up, we ain't never gonna say shit. And I know the taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody knows basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark room.